Here's how we made an overlap joint with Harrywood Plus. The overlap joint will be used if your wall is more than 12 feet or for a more natural look. When you do an overlap joint, make sure to use the factory joints on both ends. Step 1. Install the first panel. Step 2. Measure for your next panel. Once you cut the sheet, proceed with the installation. Make sure to leave a 1/4 of an inch between the two panels for the expansion. When installing the next panel, make sure you secure the top and the bottom of the joint.